Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Carmi. I'm back with some happy mail, surprise happy mail from really sweet crafty friend Felicia. Her channel name is FP Handmade. So thank you so much. I got this in the mail. I'm not quite sure what she sent or why, but let us open it up. Oh my gosh. Look at the way she has packaged this. I see some goodies. Let me get the card out first and then we will read it. Love this blue ribbon. Thank you so much, Felicia. Oh my gosh, this was such a wonderful surprise. Oh my goodness, look at that gorgeous trim. Here it is. Let's open it up. Now, Felicia has been doing a Dollar Tree card series. So what she does is she uses these stickers from Dollar Tree and then shows us different ways on how to make cards. She is an amazing card maker, and this is how beautiful these cards are from her. It's so beautiful. Through the years, we've been crafty friends, and every time she surprised me with such beautiful cards. I just love it. Thank you so much. Look at how intricate that is. There are so many die cuts that you have to layer to create these beautiful kind of bluebell flowers. And I love, again, she has layered this to add some height there. And here is her maker's mark. Let me read this real quick. Oh, thank you so much, Felicia. I know you've been really busy, and again, no need to say sorry. This is her way of showing her support for my previous YouTube anniversary summer giveaway. You are so sweet. I'm super excited to see this wonderful bundle that you have shared with me. Look at these gorgeous appliques. Is that beautiful or not? It is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at the pearl. Let me just open it up so we can take a look at the colors, and they are all my favorite colors. Mint, baby pink, oh my god, all shades of blue, and that beautiful yellow. How pretty is that? Let me lay that down there. Let's show her card. And she has also shared, oh, how cute. I love it. Love this bird charm. Thank you for sharing that. And then she's also shared some of these gorgeous, I love these flowers. I have never seen these. So I'm going to be adding that to my journals. Oh my God, Felicia, this is so cool. These are brads. And again, amazing. Look at that cameo looking one. We have all the flowers. This will look great. I'm going to be using some of these in my fall journal. I think it'll be a great accent piece. So thank you so much. And she's also added some of these fun pineapple summer ones. That is so cool. Now what do we have here? Oh, I love it. Beautiful charms. Love that. And I actually love reusing the packaging with the old writing. So thank you so much. Again, this is Felicia's beautiful surprise happy mail. Thank you so much for always being so supportive. Check out her channel. Occasionally she'll have these stashes as well, and they are amazing. And don't forget to check out her card making, because I am telling you, you will find so much inspiration. Her channel is FP Handmade. I hope you guys have a fun day. This was Any Friendship Any Day. Again, beautiful happy mail from a really, really sweet friend. Thanks so much, Felicia. I will see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye.